Hi guys, hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can hide, unhide columns and rows in Excel. There are multiple ways of doing it. For example, if I want to hide column number B, so I can right click on column B and I can click on hide. Column B is hidden. That is to hide one column. If I want to hide multiple columns, for example, I would like to hide all the columns E through G. I can click on the column E, press and hold the left click while you drag your mouse to the right until you hit column G. Then let go of your mouse. Then you can right click and click on hide. That's how that column will be hidden. You can also hide a column through an alternate approach. For example, if I want to hide column I can select column I by single left clicking on it. Then on the home tab towards the right hand side under the cells group, I will click on format. Then I will go hide, unhide, and I will click on hide column. And that is another way you can hide a column. Now, if you want to unhide a column, you can simply select the column before and the column after. And then you can right click and choose unhide, and all the columns in between will be unhidden. Similarly, if I want to unhide columns E and F, G rather, between D and H, I can select D and H, and now let me show you an alternate approach, which is to go to the cells group on the home tab under format, hide, unhide, and then simply click on unhide columns. Now comes the question, okay, I can follow the same approach to unhide B, but what if column A is hidden? How can I bring back column A? Well, it's so easy that if you simply right click on column B and click on unhide, A doesn't come back because A is the leftmost column. It is not between two columns. So to bring the column A, you have to select the entire sheet. The entire sheet could be selected by simply pressing the control key and clicking A to select all. That's one way to select the entire sheet. Or you can simply click on this triangle located in the top left corner, and that will also select the entire sheet. Once you select the entire sheet, on the home tab in the format group, you can go to hide, unhide option and click unhide columns, and a column is back. Similarly, you can hide rows. For example, if I want to hide row number 2, I can right click and hide row. If I want to hide multiple rows, I can select all of them and I can hide them. To unhide multiple rows, I could select all the rows within the sequence, and I can unhide and all the rows, multiple unhidden rows in different location, not necessarily in sequence. They all could be unhidden. Similarly, if I hide the very first row, then I will take the same approach that I will click the select all button, and then I will click format, hide, unhide, and this time I will click on unhide rows. So this is how you can hide, unhide columns or rows in Excel. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like the video. Catch you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.